The program is amazing. You made something really great. And I'm probably gonna go through all of your courses eventually. You gave me all the tools necessary for the rest of my journey as an artist. My name is Simeun. I am a Bachelor of Digital Arts. And well, I'm sort of a freelancer right now, doing anything from graphic design to 3D modeling, a stylized modeling course. And I took it twice. Everything I've learned up to that point was from YouTube tutorials. I would just get in ZBrush, start doing stuff, and when I got stuck, I would find a tutorial for it, try to find ways to work around it. And it took me much longer to make models back then. Now it's a fraction of the time, honestly. When I finished the course, when I saw all the tips and tricks that you guys use, it definitely helped. The program is amazing. I definitely found myself feeling more confident in my skills. You just cultivated this fantastical energy where everybody's helping everyone else. The feedback alone, my God, Alfredo gave me feedback the most, and he's so great. The gifts that he would make, and that when we screenshotted our progress, and then he takes it, draws over it in the correct way, but then he explains it so well that it has no more room for error. The sessions as well, while watching through everybody else's feedback, you really learn a lot from it. I was afraid of texturing, I was afraid of retopology, overall anatomy. Again, Alfredo really, he knows every small bone and muscle in a human body. It's amazing. I've already said to multiple of my friends that are thinking of going into 3D, I just sent them your link. You made something really great. And I'm probably gonna go through all of your courses eventually. You're not gonna be with me for a long time. You gave me all the tools necessary for the rest of my journey as an artist. Just gonna keep on practicing with them, keep on learning with you guys, and that's it. Just want to say thanks.